Hi everybody, it is Julie. Welcome back to Nobody's Beauty Guru. Today I am here with a very exciting video for you. It is another edition of our Stars and Strikes, and this one is going to be multitasking products. And this was really difficult for me, like more difficult than I thought it was going to be, because I feel like everything in makeup is a multitasking item. There's very, very, very few things in makeup that you cannot use to multitask for any other thing. So a lot of these are just going to be stand-ins for things that you can do. For example, your contour color. This is technically a NYX blush. This contour color I use all the time as eyeshadow. I used it today to darken up my outer V. I use this through the crease. I use this as a contour color. There's nothing you can't multitask. Your blush can be used, again, as an eyeshadow. I also have highlighter powders, and this is just a stand-in for any other highlighter. Highlighters can be used as eyeshadows all the time, inner corner, all over your lid. These are fantastic for multitasking. So if you have a highlighter and a contour or bronzing shade that go well together, these don't necessarily, you can use these for an eye look and then also on your face and not have to pack as much. It's things like that, that just work all around as multitaskers. Makeup is meant to play with, so if you think that you can use it a certain way, use it. Just go for it. Similarly, this IT Cosmetics Feel the Moment Anti-Aging Ultra Hydrating Sensory Awakening Primer Serum. This works as skincare, a primer, a moisturizer, also, for priming your makeup, but it does work as a multitasker because it is anti-aging and a serum and just moisturizing, hydrating for your face. I like that. Another multitasker I use is my Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This one I use also because, again, you guys know I'm not doing foundation right now. This is technically a primer, but it does have this amazingly beautiful glow to it. So I will just use this all over my face as a all over glow. Instead of a foundation, I'll use this as just a way to give my skin a little bit of life. And it looks beautiful. I love this. You can also use this to mix into matte foundations if you want to give it a little bit more of a dewy finish, if you want to thin out or just take away some of the heaviness that matte foundation can have sometimes. This is a great multitasker for that. You can use it on its own. You can use it mixed in with foundations. You can use it alone as a more natural highlight. There's pretty much nothing you can't do with that bad boy. I have my Cella crayon, and this is supposed to be to highlight your brows, but I've used this all over my lid as a primer. I've used this to go in my waterline. I've used this to spot conceal my little blemishes. So you can use this because it is, at least for me, skin colored. I can use this for a multitude of different things, and because I am trying to pan this, that really, really helps. So things like this, the NYX Wonder Sticks as well, you can use all over as a shadow base. You can use it to blemish conceal, to line your lips. You can use it in your waterline. So those come in really, really handy. Oh God, that glow, guys. Okay. I also have a Bite Beauty multi-stick. This one happens to be in Gelato. It is what I'm using as a cream blush today. And this color looks pretty intense on its own, but you can blur this out a little bit. It becomes a beautiful blush color. You can use this all over your lids as a cream shadow. You could use it on your lips as a lipstick. This is a great multitasking product for the price point. If you get the right color, I think that these are so worth it, and they really do pretty much everything, and I really, really do love them. Now, not all cream products are going to be safe for your eyes. These are. I know that some people have used the Kat Von D or liquid lipstick as foundation, as eyeliner, as eye products. Not everything is eye safe, so just be careful, use caution. Yes, there's no rules in makeup, but some things aren't safe for everywhere on your body, so just watch out for that. Nail polish is a great multitasker for marking your dark products. If you have something that you want to measure that is on, for example, a black bottle, you can't see through this, so it doesn't matter. But if you wanted to mark something on a dark bottle, use nail polish, and you can mark on black without using a Sharpie. Sharpies don't usually work. Nail polish does. You can also use these on glass products or products where Sharpie kind of comes off a lot. You can use nail polish and it doesn't come off until you want to use nail polish remover and take it off. So that's a great multitasker. My last one is a product, and I don't have any strikes because I really do feel like whatever works for you, there's probably a way to multitask it. Use your lipstick as a blush. Use your lipstick as an eye color. I mean, there's just so many ways to use makeup. I don't personally have any strikes because I feel like if it works for you, go ahead and do it. And there's not been stuff for me that I found that I didn't like. My last thing that I will talk about though is this palette and spatula, which is going to blind you, so I'm going to put it down. But these are phenomenal. I use these for mixing my liquid lipsticks to make custom colors, mixing my foundation to make custom colors. I use this for depotting. I can use this to get to the bottom of something, scrape everything out. I can use this to break up shadows, to repress it. I can use the smoothing side to smooth it back out. So these work for repressing, for panning, for just a multitude of things. I really do think whether you're just a beauty user, like, oh, look at that. Whether you're just a makeup user or if you do want to get into panning, these are great tools to have. I found mine on Amazon for like a couple dollars. It was really nothing and it has come so in handy. I can't imagine having to repress a shadow without having that. Those are kind of my multitasking products, but again, remember, makeup is yours to play with. It's there to have fun with. There are no rules. If it works for you and you can multitask it, absolutely go for it. Use your eyeshadows as blush, use your eyeshadows as contour and bronzer. There's tons of ways to use things. As panners, we get really inventive about the way that we use things. So I know that you guys have some great ideas too. If you have a multitasker that you really love, leave it in the comments below. For now though, that's everything for this Stars and Strikes. As always, be sure to check out everybody else that is involved in this collab down below, as well as our remaining dates. There's not that many left. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys.